Welcome. In this quick and easy tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how to make a collage on Instagram. Right, if you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, first up, open up Instagram and under the home section, just swipe left or right, and then just tap on layout right here. Okay, and you could also change the grids right here. For example, you have 4 by default. You can tap on this option, maybe 2 or 3 or maybe 6. All right. So for example, this one, I want you to go ahead and move your camera. As you can see, the first option would be this one. And when you take a snap or upload a photo, this one will be covered and followed by the next grid. So for example, I'm just going to go ahead and take a snap right here. Just like so. Now on to the next. You could use a photo, whatever you want, and then just tap on the check mark. And then after that, post it in your story or save it and post it as a regular post, however you want. That's just how easy it is to make a collage on Instagram. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.